Hi everyone, welcome again to the next video of mine. So what happens that a few days back I got a request from a good friend of mine that he wanted his jeans to be printed with our logo. So he entrusts me to have it printed on his jeans. His Levi's, I believe. Yeah, Levi's. So come and join me and see the journey, and we see first hand look how it turned out. So let's go. So what happens is that I'm going to place the jeans here. Okay, I'm going to place. My idea was to have it printed here. So the logo will be printed here. Then I will do something else. Guys, this is what I come out with. It's one-on-one printing. It's done by me, customized. So all here, details over here. Hope that you will like it. Hopefully you will like it. So this is what I do, customize printed jeans. Thank you for watching. See you again.